electricity. Everything's blown down. I only lost 2 panels on the greenhouse. God spared us. Got leaves everywhere. I tell you, thinking about leaving Florida after this. This is just too much in too many years. I've lived here since 1971. I've never seen anything like it. Oh yeah, you just come out, son. Like, you know, where were you yesterday? See that cedar tree snapped in half? Big one fell. There's trees blocking the road. My turtle fell down off of the wall. I don't even have the energy to go in here and see what's happening here. My moringas. You know what's funny? The tree blows down, but the pole saw is still standing up in the tree. You know, go figure. This is crazy. And that tree looks like it's about ready to go. They cleaned up a lot of it already. Oh, my banana tree broke in half. Look at that over there. I just can't seem to keep a banana tree. My hay all got wet. My soursop tree, though, did kind of well. But you know, that's a tropical tree, so you know, it could just be, it's saying, wow, that felt good. Don't ask for him to come back. I'm going to put my no hurricane, it's allowed sign out on my front gate. Alright, well, I got a mess to clean up. You guys enjoy. I get the tractor out and start doing